Hello everyone. Today we went to the buffet restaurant, all you can eat in Tampa for our dinner, and I can have the frog legs. It's seasoning with the curry paste, a little spicy, but it tastes so good. You should try. You see all the food here. So I'm gonna talk about the pronunciation about the buffet at the begin when me and my husband get to know each other at the first year of our dating. I call buffet. In Thailand they pronounce buffet. So we try to get to know each other for quite a while until we realize it's okay. Thai people call buffet, but American call buffet, and the right pronunciation is buffet. Now I know it, but when we travel between two countries, we know which pronoun we should use.